Polyfest is showcasing your culture to others who don't really know much about it, because we do live our culture throughout, like, every day. We, like, even though we don't perform this year, that doesn't make us less Tongan or less Samoan or any other culture. We still spread that culture through our daily lives.
To me, Polyfest is like my way of reclaiming my culture. Living in New Zealand, being born in New Zealand and being children of diaspora, that's basically the whole goal for Polyfest, is to reclaim the peses, the sivas and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's just reconnecting with the land without being inside the land.
Polyfest is special for us, especially at our school, because a lot of people don't really know where they come from. We get to come to Polyfest, we get to learn everything about not only where we come from, but tikanga, stories of our ancestors, and it all comes together with a beautiful performance.
The freshest thing about our Fijian group is that we've never had a Fijian group before. It was an honor and a privilege to finally have a group that represents our culture.
But this is like our time to show everyone where we are from and just represent our, our roots.
Freshest thing was island time, for practice. That was probably the freshest thing.
Freshest thing about our school is we're just the coolest. Our freshest move is called the teki, and it goes like this.
The freshest action for me was probably doing the oppo.
Oh, yeah.
So everyone on point with this move. And then full count.
It's
got the TikTok. So you just get like
Oh yeah, that's basically the same me. And then after that we get oh yeah, that's basically it.
Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh. Woohoo!